I've drawn this before. Like I mentioned before, something was wrong with my SD card. So in the meantime, I'll have to redraw it from scratch. Try and trace along, alright? Anyway, like I mentioned in the last video, this Pokemon is named Sandy Shocks. He's supposed to be Magneton's ancestor. Only after you, back in ancient times, in the ancient past, Magneton had legs. Its bottom magnets are huge. Oh yeah! Here's the legs. See what I'm talking about? These are the feet. Yeah?
You just took the picture right that was you?
Why?
I'm asking you.
Yeah? Why you ask?
What about this? What about this?
Yeah, I'll go get it. Alright. Now let's finish drawing the rest of his feet. There we are. And done. That's how you draw Sandy Shocks. I'm going to be placing him in my thumbnails. Mostly the ones involving dinosaurs.